Hello. Welcome back to another edition of Learn with Samita. Now, after last week's video on my journey to the award ceremony and winning the award, many of you have come up to me and asked, Samita, how did you decide what to wear? Join me. Today, I'll share all the goss with you. First things first, I had to keep in mind a few things. The awards ceremony included a day-long conference and my outfit had to be wrinkle-free. I had to find a sweet spot between strictly formal and the absolutely casual. Certainly no tracky dacks. Something funky that would let me stand out in the crowd. I went with this stunning ruched pink crop top with huge rosettes on the sleeves. Bridgerton fever is in the air. I paired it with a turquoise scarf length metallic skirt and of course a pair of silver gold slingbacks and my favorite Gucci Bloom bag. Perfect for a full day of activities. The evening was meant to be very special with a gala dinner and arrival of Sarah Ferguson, Duchess of York. I decided to stay away from traditional gowns and opt for something different. I chose this gold lame pantsuit. I highlighted it with Rouge Dior lipstick and paired it with this beautiful medallion necklace with my initial engraved on it. There you go. And this Dolce & Gabbana mini bag. When it comes to outfits, always have a plan B. Things can happen. Buttons and hooks can come off. Zips can snap. I carried this cobalt blue silk embroidered dress as an alternative. I paired the cobalt blue dress with silver heels and this exquisite sterling silver necklace with pear-shaped and emerald-shaped laboratory-grown sapphires surrounded by a halo of Moissanite diamonds. I must say, this particular necklace impressed me with its craftsmanship and quality. Right jewellery can elevate a dress to star status. However, while travelling, I would advise you to stay away from precious jewellery. Going through airport security, staying in different hotels, back-to-back events, you might end up losing your $1 million baubles. But then, you wouldn't want to wear tacky costume jewellery, not with such splendid outfits. That's where Miss Blue comes in. They offer Moissanite diamonds and laboratory-made gemstones. Their jewellery is perfect for events on the go. The brand takes its name from an old rhyme associated with weddings. Something old, something new, something borrowed and something blue. Miss is an empowering title. It honors remarkable and accomplished women. Blue symbolizes the timeless virtues of love, fidelity and purity. Miss Blue offers a 100% secure checkout, a 30-day return policy and a 60-day exchange warranty. Miss Blue is sustainable, naturally, otherwise they will not be on Learn with Samita. Mine diamonds take about 125 gallons of water for just 1 carat of diamond. Miss Blue uses Moissanite diamonds and lab-grown gemstones. Water consumption is next to zero. If you buy Miss Blue's Blue for Pink jewellery, 100% of the profits are donated to, you guessed it, breast cancer awareness. They also participate in community initiatives like planting trees, providing clean and safe drinking water. The time has come to get ready for the event. So this is my before face, and I have the beautiful Ivana with me, and you'll see my after face after Ivana has worked her magic on me, Samita.
We have mostly Juvia's place when it comes to blush and contour. Also, most of the complexion, foundation and brow products are from MAC.
Highlighters as well, some Bobbi Brown.
Shade and plenty of MAC lip liners.
There was something missing from the table.
So she's just rubbing off the slight bit of eye makeup that I had put in the morning. Liner and mascara. Yeah.
More up. You have anything else on your face?
Concealer. That's it.
I'm gonna put like generously.
Yeah.
So
that's a moisturizer, right?
Yes. Do you prefer your lips to be matte or glossy? Or somewhere in between?
Somewhere in between,
Yeah?
because
Okay.
it's day to night.
Yes. I'm like a bit of a perfectionist, so...
So am I. Are you a Virgo? I am a Virgo.
I'm a Libra.
Okay, I'm a Virgo. Virgos are worst.
Yeah.
It's got an Indian photo on.
Yes, and everything.
Yeah.
But it's really nice. Nectar from Huda Beauty. This is in peach.
Peach. Which will go well with my skin tone, isn't it?
Yes,
Somewhere in
yes,
between.
somewhere in between.
Yeah.
It's very versatile and I love it. Look up, please.
And I have got a little bit of dark circles. You know, I used to wear specs, so yeah.
It's normal, but this thing, it might look a bit orange when applied like this.
Okay.
But after that, we can go with your skin color
Foundation.
and concealer.
Yeah.
And it will look more luminous. Because if we apply the concealer straight, it will give it like an ashy
Yeah, that's what
look
happens.
with the shadow still being underneath.
Yeah.
The foundation from MAC. We are gonna apply concealer also from MAC. This is NC35, which I think is perfect for her complexion.
I'm gonna start where we want to enlighten.
Yes, yes. Some regular lash glue.
Right. Now he's concerned because he's a doctor.
Yeah.
I mean, that's his day job. He does this on the side with me.
Okay. But we stick them on the lashes, not on the skin.
Yeah. No, but she must have used it on others also.
But yeah, and this is normal lash glue that you stick on the skin, so it's...
Normal, yes.
I had shown you my before look and this is my after look. After Ioana has worked her magic on me. Thank you, Ioana.
Thank you for having me.
There you go. I have now shared details of my outfit. My clothes, jewellery, accessories, makeup. I hope you found these tips useful. Have questions? Leave them in comments and I'll be there with you pronto. Do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Till then, this is Samita signing off. Bye for now. See you next time.